Tamil Nadu Chief Minister M.K. Stalin and the centre, and this time against the Waqf bill. Tamil Nadu has now launched a fresh offensive against the centre on the proposed amendments in the Waqf Act. Here's what the Assembly resolution reads out. Some of the key points here against the Waqf Act by the DMK regime in Tamil Nadu says the amendments are a direct threat to minority rights and the powers of the Waqf board. It says the centre wants to weaken the Waqf board, meddle with Waqf property administration, which by tradition is governed by Islamic law. Further reads, any Waqf property flagged by the government will be excluded from the Waqf board's purview, as per the amendments, which is not right. Another flashpoint, Waqfs created by non-Muslims may now be deemed as invalid. So these are the points basically mentioned in that resolution where the Tamil Nadu government flatly rejects the Waqf Act. Stalin calls this not just a legal overreach, but direct assault on constitutional guarantees for minorities. He's warned of growing fear and mistrust in the Muslim community, accusing the centre of trying to chip away on the autonomy that the minority institutions hold. BJP MLA though in Tamil Nadu, Vanati Srinivasan, has defended the move, saying bringing in non-Muslim members into the Waqf board is nothing but bringing in transparency and accountability.
State government is bringing a resolution of requesting and condemning the central government to withdraw those amendments. That is, already the exercise has been done. On behalf of BJP, we have emphasized that as far as the parliamentary democracy and authority of the parliament is concerned, any elected government is having an authority to bring any amendment or a new law to govern the people. And that too, why for the Waqf Act we are bringing the amendment? Because the central government has received so many the complaints, which is regarding to the administration, which is regarding to the misuse of the Waqf properties, everything.